Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remain Onyebuchi Nwashiburu, known as the Grace Year Odyssey of this year. Mongundi Ranki Bazwa, Onyejogu ya kwere udo, and I have come here with nothing but the undiluted truth. It's unto you to believe, it's unto you to share, it's unto you to understand that what I have brought upon your doorsteps is nothing but the undiluted truth that have to do with me and you, that have to do with the way we reason and the way we think. Now, Batu Abakwana too much speed. I want to let you know one thing before we go to prayer. How many of you remember when Muhammad Abbas went on Radio Biafra and started telling you people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went to Israel and Israel blocked him from entering Israel? That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have claimed to be a Jewish, they block him. That Christian nations, when we needed satellites, Christian nation did not give us satellites. Jewish nation did not give us satellites. That the only people who give us satellites is the religion which we rejected. And we said, oh, we don't want to be part of the religion. That he doesn't know where we get the mentality that that religion is bad. All of you know what the religion he was preaching to you people. So that you understand what is happening in Alibo, why they are blocking, why they are saying BLA are bad, is for the religion to buy and dominate. I again prayer. When we return, Chukwu na Ihuanya na-echai, egwu ndị ilo na-echai. I heard that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have directed us not to reply anybody. Not to reply anybody. Though, not me. He have directed the family not to reply those who are getting mad. That they should focus on what they are doing. But we will reply them. He have directed his brothers, don't reply, don't say pakam to anybody. I wonder reason why Kanu Takano did not reply. In fact, he told them to move out of social media, as I heard. And we, the great Biafrans here, we will defend our leader to eternity. That's number one. We will defend our leader to eternity. Those who getting mad can get mad for all they care. They can preach nonsense for all they care. They can share lies and deceit for all they care. We here, we will reply. We will defend our leader. So when they preach that nonsense, it doesn't sink in the brains of our own people. Let us go. Holy upon this very program and have the holiness of continuity and have the holiness of consistency in order to preach this nothing but the undiluted truth.
Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọbụla na ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọbụla na ya bụ ọkaka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ, ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi. Onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla ka anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. N'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọ bịa mere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ uwe na-arịọ gị na-asị lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu ọgbọ wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na eji ama mgbe niile. N'ihi na anyị enweghị ichi ọzọ ewezuga gị, anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasịsi wee baa ha ọnụ ha wee daa hapụghị ikonye ọzọ obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị na-asị na ebe gị chi ọzọ egwezuga gị anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana wee onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị mmadụ ebi ka a na-ajọ gị ise.
Nnanoma, you are welcome to this very program. Egwu ndị ilu ekpecha nara anyị ekpere anyị the holy. Now, I move upon this very program without any fear nor favor against our enemies. Kaiga preach here nothing but the undiluted truth. How many of you remember when I did program countering Chinasa Nworu, telling you people na ihe abịagokwa preach of Islam? Chinasa Nworu told you people explicitly that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went to Israel. The same Israel that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went and stayed there. He lied after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told us on Radio Biafra that he went to Israel and stayed there. He prayed in the Wailing Wall. Chinasa Nworu, after the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, came to lie because they want to preach Islam to us. They don't know how to do it. So they have to come in prosy. Chinasa Nworu onu ya na-agba that how many of us remember that our leader went to Israel and Israel blocked him from entering. That those of us don't know anything about that. That when we needed satellites, that the satellite that we needed, Jewish nation did not provide satellite for us. We are the people claiming we are Jews, but they did not provide satellite. And Christian nation, no Christian nation wanted to provide satellite to us. Not even the pastors that are using satellite. They refused to hook their own satellite to our own. They rejected us. That it is that religion that we rejected. That religion that we hate so much, that religion that we despise, those are the religion helping us. And we are still claiming we are Christian, we are Jewish, we are this. He doesn't know where we get the mentality of claiming these things. That instead of us to stick to the religion that is helping us, we are rejecting the religion that is helping us. How many of you remember? This idiot now telling you, oh, Nigerian government is spying them. Ask them. You and Nigerian government is the same thing because you preach Islam. Nigerian government preach Islam. How can Nigerian government spy you when you are preaching Islam? In case if you people never know, these things were preached by this Okoko, Muhammad Abbas, on the former Radio Biafra, where we worship, which has now become Radio Nigeria, where they gossip. This guy, after the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, started lying to people. Now, the good news there is that I told you people then that it was a lie. I exposed him. I don't need to hear from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before exposing the Okoko. I told you people that it was a lie that he lied. Now, Benjamin mmadubugwu have said it. Now, Benjamin mmadubugwu came and said, when he knew that this guy is a bloody liar, that is Chinasa Nworu, that the time that he caught him red-handed, that he's a bloody liar, that all the things that he said in Radio Biafra, he will be wondering how this thing did not happen. But where he caught him red-handed was when he started preaching semi-Islam. That the religion that we hated so much, that is the religion that helped us. And all of you remember that Chinasa Nworu was in Kuwait. And you cannot be in Kuwait if you are not a core Islam. You must learn how to do Islamic before you go to Kuwait. That is one of their principles. You must read this thing very well. If I'm not mistaken, please correct me. That's the information with me. Now, Chinasa Nworu was in Kuwait. Ebe a ka o si wee kpọba onye ndu. Oh, as Muslims die for their religion, we Biafra people, we must prepare to die for our own religion. That he doesn't know where we get this thing, sabo in our blood. We don't want to die for our religion. Biafra is a religion. We will die for Biafra. And we never knew that it was a Kuwait government that was sending him to get information, because all these Arabic countries hate Biafra. Whether you like it or not, they hate you. All these Arabic countries, they hate Biafra with their blood, even to their bone marrow. They hate you as a Biafran. Now, Chinasa Nworu told you people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went to Israel. That did we know what Israel did? We are saying, oh, we are Jewish, we are Jewish. That he cried for our own people when they attach their name with Jewish. That is the reason why you see some people, when I say Biafra will be a Jewish nation, they will come and say, oh, we are not a Jewish nation. We are not this and that. They are already preaching Islam to you. You know, they preach in prosy. They work for Islamic government. That is the reason why they left to the Fulani who is killing you. Every day, in order to manipulate your brain. That is being paid by Maeti Allah. Or how they provided the ehi, because they are already preaching Islam to you. I have asked you, where in this Africa, Hindi Fulani, and Maeti Allah cattle breeder will not reply you. Fulani will not reply you. Since he had to present Veregi a Hindi Fulani, unless after this program now, Fulani will start replying. Because they listen to this very program anyway. After this very program now, Fulani will start replying. They have never replied these criminals called DOS. Hey, Eastern Security Barricade. Eastern Security Barricade. Because nke ha bụ nke network. Nke ha bụ nke barricade. Anyị na-agba ehi ta bịa gbakwuo ehi nke asị ya egbe mgbọ adịghị n'ehi a. Mgbọ adịghị n'ehi ka mgbọ adịghị n'egbe. Ya sị mgbọ ole ka ị nwere, ya sị ya mgbe ịtọ, ya sị oke gboo ofu reserve ebua. Ọkwa anyị nọ online na-anụcha ụmụ ihe niile ebe ha na-akụ eri. Ndị sị gị na ha bụ soldiers. O nwere soja na-anọ vidio na-ereviliri ndị enemi ya na ya onwe ekwe mgbo na ọ tere mgbọ nọ n'egbe ya obu. Ndị Fulani echebe ha mara na ọ tere mgbọ na anọ n'egbe ha bụ finish ye ha n'ime ọhịa. Ndị ara onye bụ nwa Ashigburu bịa ndị na-ele shoe ndị agba. Shoe ndị agba bụ shoe rigoro alignment. Asị gị na Eastern Security Network that they are suffering. Ndị ara. Liars and deceivers. Biafra have enough money to equip the army, please. They should not paint this thing that our army is one of the dirtiest army in the world. Nobody should paint that narrative to you. Are you getting me? That is the reason why once they speak, I laugh. Because their lies and propaganda wouldn't go anywhere. It wouldn't fly. Are you getting me? It will never fly. We are the children of God upon this face of the earth. And we pray and we preach nothing. That's the only thing we preach. We don't preach it to sweet a lot of people. We preach it because that's the way Elohim has made it to be. I am not preaching to entice you. I am preaching the truth so that you know that this truth is truth. Irregardless of the propaganda, lies, and deceit, truth remains truth, and truth remaineth truth. It doesn't change. It doesn't change at all. No matter what, that truth will always remain the truth and will never change hands. Are you getting me, please? I wish you understand. You need to understand one thing that we do upon this very platform. We do it so that you understand where we are coming from. I am Onyebuchi Nwashiburu, one of it very kind. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. Now, He went and told you that Israel block Onyendu. That Onyendu is claiming Jewish. Israel block Onyendu. He was painting the picture of Israel to be a very bad people. So that our own people, upon hearing that Israel block Onyendu, because I know after then, too many people started calling me, is it true? Is it true that Israel block Onyendu? Nah, Israel government to fuck up. Israel is not for Africa. I told them. How do you? That was what warranted the program that I did then, countering him, that he lied explicitly. That it was Israel who received Onyendu. Onyendu go to Israel. Have you seen Onyendu tell you that Israel blocked him? He said that when they were looking for Onyendu, Onyendu ran to Israel. And Israel blocked him. How many times have Onyendu gone to Israel? And they never blocked him. And he told you that is the reason why Onyendu ran to Africa. Or somebody gwara gị na your man Onyendu gara Kenya. But he knew that Onyendu went to Israel. And Israel blocked him. Then Obaga Africa. Onye gwara gị that I don't know that Onyendu went to Kenya. Ị hụrụ na asịnda na-adị asịnda bụ African magic, extraordinary everyday. Ọ bụrụ na ha meghe ọnụ na-eghe, ọ bụrụ na iji ịkalkulate nke ha gwara gị before na nke ha na-agwa gị ugbu a, my brother, you made mistake. Because ndị a bụ pathetic liars. Pathetic liars. They can lie for all they care. Now we need to move. This guy, Chinasa Nworu, told you people a lot of these lies. Telling you people that, oh, if you see what they did to Onyendu in Kenya, that you will not, I mean, if they see, you see what Israel did to Onyendu, you will not believe. No Christian nation help us. That arms, no Christian nation have granted us arms to fight this war. But it is the religion that we rejected. What is the religion? Islam. Kedu ihe Chinasa Nworu chọrọ igen? Ọ chọrọ iteach gị to Islam. Na gị bidozie kpọwa isi ala. That is the reason why if you go to some of their followers have become alamajiri. Ihe a na-ebuzi bụ kettle. Because they listen to Chinasa Nworu. But I tell them, woe unto you, ị gechara Onyendu ntị, o wee ghọọ Chinasa Nworu, a coward, na-adịghị proud igosi gị ihu ya, na-edeceive gị, woe unto you. Njụọ gị na kedu onye deceived gị, onye ka ị ya sọọ ya? Gị sị na o nwere one idiot ị na-anụ olu ya on Fulani radio, that is the former radio Biafra. Njụọ gị ihe ọ na-akọ, ị na-ejikwa calculator echeki ihe ọ na-akọ. Then echizi achọba ndị bụ nwoke ga-epụta anyị nwabụ men, anyị nwabụ men. Ngị nwabụ men. Ngị Fulani na-edeceive. Ngị alamajiri Chinasa Nworu na-edeceive. Even men. Asị men pụta ga-epụta. Ha! Mbọsị nta ya abịa chụọ ọnụ n'Owere nchi. Ị hụrụ this very program. It must continue. This very program must continue. Because Elohim Chukwu Okike Abiama remains God and not man. And only him will give us the desired freedom, which none of you can be able to give us. Elohim Chukwu Okike Abiama remains God and not man. We will continue without fear nor favor against our enemies. And I'm here preaching this news. Now, how did this particular news came up again? Benjamin Mmadubugwu said that he went to Onyendu and said, Onyendu, there is something that Mohammed Abbas said on Radio Biafra, that you went to Israel and Israel blocked you from entering Israel. I wonder why, though he have his reason, I wonder why Benjamin would ask Onyendu that, because me, Munwa neighbor, have already known, na sekotro, of which I countered him. Israel cannot do that. Me that you are looking at, I am among the Jewish Guinean they send me email. If there is anything that they want, if there is anything they will email me. I wonder how they know that I am one of their supporters. I wonder how. In my email every time, vote, they will send me votes. Anything, they will send it to my email. And that is the reason why I tell some of you, be mindful of what you comment on social media. The government that you are speaking against knows that you are speaking against them. How did I get that milestone? I used to support Israel, counter people when they speak against Israel. So that is the only single-handed reason that these very people, all of a sudden, I started seeing their emails, started seeing even something that they needed to vote, they will email me to be among the voters. Am I an Israeli? No. But they have taken me as one of their own, simply because of my stand against the Islamic Caliphate of the world, who are sponsoring extrajudicial killings, killing innocent people, and wiping away lives, destroying lives and property. Just because of that single stand, I have merited this thing. So, Benjamin said, when he asked Onyendu this, Onyendu told him, leave that bloody liar. Leave that guy to lie for all he cares. Benjamin already said that he knew a lot of things he comes to Radio Biafra to talk was lie. But the one that makes him to challenge him was that one of Israel. Now, you know Ejiofor, when Ejiofor and Benjamin was rapporting, there is something that Ejiofor, Benjamin never knew that they played on his intelligence, and I will tell you why. Why Ejiofor was with Benjamin speaking, he said that people are cajoling Chinasa Nworu, a heavyweight, that do they know whom he is? So Ejiofor was promoting Chinasa Nworu before Benjamin to the people of Biafra, so that Benjamin will concur that Chinasa Nworu is a heavyweight. Remember, then Benjamin said there is problem already on the way because of that preaching. But anyway, Benjamin supported them then. He supported, even when he knew that the guy was lying, he supported them, of which he need to apologize to Biafra people. That's number one. He need to apologize to Biafra people, because at any given point that you know that these very people are lying against the struggle, you don't need to support lies for even a second. However, my problem with a lot of people, if I notice you are lying, no matter what you have offered to me, you are trying to use me to lie. Oga, no. I will come out and tell Biafra people this is a lie, blatantly. It doesn't matter how you see it. It doesn't matter how you think about it. It doesn't matter how. Now, in the other way, Simon Ekpa was motivated because Simon Ekpa said, we will remain a Jewish nation, the only Jewish nation in Africa. Please remember, Simon Ekpa is not a Jew. But Simon Ekpa was fighting on the principle of that declaration that we are already a Jewish nation. This guy, Simon Ekpa, this man, Simon Ekpa, please remember August 4th and 5th is protest in Finland. The release of Simon Ekpa the Great. We must protest for his release. So, Master Simon Ekpa have already said it, that the Biafra is going to be a Jewish nation because of on the principle of that declaration by Onyendu that we are going to be a Jewish nation. So Simon Ekpa did not come and say, oh, Biafra will be Simon Ekpa's nation, will be this nation. No, he stood on that principle of Jewish nation and he is fighting. He's going to be a Jewish nation. May his name be praised, please. This man called Simon Ekpa is a great, formidable lion of Biafra, an epitome of beauty, humility, and intelligence, and highly adored with his character of maintaining the status quo for Biafra. The good status quo which will see the total restoration of the sovereign state called Biafra. I am highly pleased, please. I am highly pleased. Sometimes when I look at how he offered his own life for the people of Biafra, it gives me goosebumps. But we will all consistently move upon this very platform and preach this very good news. So, all the things that they told you against Simon Ekpa, please note, protest 4th and 5th in Finland at Finland Square. Finland Square. Finland Square. 4th and 5th. Those of you people should begin to buy your ticket now. Buy your ticket now before it gets late. Buy your ticket. Adadi Oramma have been in Finland since all of these things. This will be the 4th or 5th time. And if you have her means, help Adadi Oramma. She have never asked of help to go to Finland. This is the first time. This very lady will be in Finland. All this while she uses her money since only PM have problem. Oh, you want to go Finland. Moving through and flow to Finland. Egoya. Egoya. Even before now, Finland Convention, Egoya. Also, Nanda Kurugwo. So let us help her, please. She will be in Finland. I am Mwashibrobi. The only thing I preach here is nothing but the undiluted truth. And I need people to be in Finland. I need people. Now, Simon Ekpa was already maintaining that status quo for Biafra. Jewish nation. So they don't like it. The Islamic nation don't like it. That is the reason why they played on the intelligence of... I heard that one of the people that went to lie against Simon Ekpa was a pastor. When we have Biafra, all these very people claiming Pastor Yagachoru, Yagachoru, because you people, most of you are thieves. Most of you. In fact, there is nothing called pastor if not by the tithe and offering of the innocent people. Gagacho na akoru. Happen umu ihe Oluwa said, Ramatasa said. Happen here. Go and find work. Are you getting me? When we get Biafra, you people should go and find work. Oluwa Ramasata said it's not a work. Go and find the work for yourself. Because there will be nobody coming to your church when Biafra come. People are going to church today, every time in church. Not that people will not go to church here. But what I mean is that people sleep in church every time is because of the systematic failure of the government. When people remember that they will pay electricity bill, no money. Remember that they will pay water bill, no money. Remember that they will pay school fees, no money. They now trust in God. Oh, I got church, Asiocha. Also, what will be, will be. The money that will come to you when you have not gone to church will still come to you because material things is not gotten from church. I will tell you, God, master your Bible very well. Material things is not gotten from church. I am Mwashibrobi, and I will keep on with this very preaching, please. So, that is the number one attack that they have with Mazi Simon Ekpa. They started, oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa is killing people. Had it been that Mazi Simon Ekpa is preaching what they are preaching, the Islam which Chinasa Nworu is already preaching in prosy, what did he mean? That Jewish nation do not like us and they are not helping us. In fact, they block Onyendu. What warranted such a devilish lie and an open lie, if not that he is preaching Islam to you? What warranted it? I'm asking those of you. Tell yourself the truth. You don't need to keep on lying or keep on trying to mice words. Tell yourself the truth. What warranted such a devilish lie? If Chinasa Nworu was not already preaching Islam to you, what? Oh, the people that love us are the people that we hated so much. We hated them and we despised them. That was in the words of Chinasa Nworu. That the people that love us are the people we hated and we don't want to associate with them. That no Christian nation have helped us. That those of us go to church, sleep in church, yet the Christian nation impoverish us. They don't want to help us. It is only that religion which we hated so much. But we already know. Kedi religion he hated so much? Oh, Islam. When a religion also he hated so much. Also now that religion hook up us up in their satellite. And I want to debunk it. It is a pure lie. The cable which we tap was not from Islamic nation. Islamic nation did not give Biafra cable. In fact, how did Chinasa Nworu know who gave you cable and who did not give you? Because before Chinasa Nworu joined this very struggle, we are already on cable. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is already on cable. Who should be in position to know is Benjamin mmadubugwu. Because Benjamin mmadubugwu is in his house that they found the transmitter. Not in Chinasa Nworu's house. But this guy is a pathetic liar. Very, very pathetic. Ya gazi at the back of the camera. Bidonachi unochi. Ona se legonu ha. E play them with their intelligence. Hachena had the smart. Bia Bruno. Mane preach Islam. Aya akporiri isiala by fire by force. All here on Agwono at the back of Nokia 3310. I know them very well. And I know the way that they operate. Oh they at the back of Nokia 3310. Ya na chi unu such. So no bia no bia buru. Ọ bụrụ na ya akpọ isiala na nke ikpete maazị a ka anyị mara ihe ka ọsịrị ya. Gị na ọgbagọrọ niile. Chinasa Nworu na-eghere gị ashị. We will get Biafra, please. We will get Biafra. And it will be in truth and in spirit. We will get Biafra. It will be in truth and in every holiness. Please. Please, I need to make this announcement. I noticed that a lot of people are calling me and I don't pick their calls at times. And some people send message to my other number and they are waiting for me to reply them. Very soon it will be over. Somebody have paid for cable, internet for me. Somebody have paid. And very soon they will install it. It will be over. That I can assure you. Very soon they will install it. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, please. You know, our own people, sometimes they will say, even the guy that paid that for that cable called me from last year till this year. It was this year that I saw the missed call and I replied the guy. It was this year. From last year. So if I'm not picking your call, please be rest assured that not that I don't want to reply, but once I go to internet. I am busy to do what brought me to internet. I have no private internet of my own. Now, once I am done, I run away. Please, and please. Installation of internet is not, I don't know how they do it, but very soon they will come. Very soon they will come. And just lastly, before I stop on this very program, just know that the Biafra nation will keep on marching. The reason why they hated Mazi Simon Ekpa and they carried propaganda against Mazi Simon Ekpa was because he stood on the status quo. It was on the principle of Jewish nation that Asari Dokubo get angry and started insulting Onyendu. Hope you know. He said that why must Onyendu said that Biafra will become a Jewish nation? Who gave him that right? Because they sent Asari Dokubo to be acting, the Islamic nation sent him. Oh, lure Biafra to Islamic nation. And Asari boasted that he is with those in IPOB. And Chinasa Nworu and the rest can now see that they are nobody. They have been kicked out. After this May 31st, now they will still go silent. Other things that they will do is to tell you na how about it. That's the only thing. That's the deceit that they have been deceiving you people always. They will go silent after this May Day. Do you know why? These very people do not come to fight for your own freedom. They come to Riegimugu. Ine always. But this very Biafra agitation has exposed a whole lot of them. They came with explicit, in fact, they came with extraordinary mugu. So that your mugulity will be extraordinary every day. But we have disgraced them on the side of this very freedom. The freedom is even laughing at them. They can no longer comprehend what is happening. That is the reason why they shout. That is the reason why they lie. That is the reason why they carry propaganda against somebody in prison. And shamelessly tell you that the person mbana potonya court, imagine these very people talking to you. Mbana kotonya court ko carry debunk. Imagine somebody bịara court bido na debunk. Oh na ihe no ebe a na eme ihe ọ na-ama ha mgbe o ji eme o na eme na yo debunk ya. How can you debunk what you don't know? Ọkwa ndị ya lead gị. Ha ya lead gị. Imagine the nonsense ha na-akọ n'ọnụ. In fact, sometimes I feel ashamed for them because I know that they don't feel shame. So I feel shame for them. We are here in order to get freedom, please. And we will get it, irregardless of their lies and propaganda. Do you hear me? We will get this very freedom. It doesn't matter how long that they have lied. It doesn't matter how long that they have character assassinated people. It doesn't matter how long that Chinasa Nworu keep on hiding his identity. Today he is being exposed. I told you people ab initio that Chinasa Nworu, whatever you hear the Opontunuru Ago saying, is a matter of time. Chinasa Nworu them will say the same thing. Opontunuru Ago is the mouthpiece of them. But Opontunuru Ago is gossiping behind the Chinasa Nworu. I have told you people this. It's just a matter of time it will do this. Because that guy is now feeling no Yamavu chief. When I said it, in fact, it can happen. Let me not say what went behind. I see them, I look at them, and I see them. They will keep on imagining who is gossiping to me. But I am very much ahead of them. In whatever they do, I am very much ahead of them. Just as when I tell you things here, it doesn't take time. It will surface. Whether you like it or not, carry propaganda. I want to hear the Nagwa people. ihe mbụ bụ spiritual leader of the Gracia Temple. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-aga na mmụọ ga jụọ mmụọ gị si onye ka onye a bụ. Who is this person? Right from my birth self, my birth was a miracle. Ga jụọ mmụọ gị ka m kwụsị ebe a. So if I tell you things, whether you carry propaganda or not, ị ya anọkwa n'ihu gị ọ na-eme. Mgbe m hosturu program na-agwa unu na Chinasa Nworu lied, I saw a lot of people telling me, ọ ga-akọ nke ịma, ka ihe Israel megoro anyị, ka ihe Israel megoro anyị. Ọhọ Kanaset ka ị nọ. Show me any word megoro gị except to their parliament. They discuss always in their parliament. Ọ Kanaset ka ị nọ ugbu a. Israeli parliament every time ha agbapụ ka aga discuss about Biafra. So Mohammed Abbas ya goshi gị any Islamic nation mgbe ọbụla ha discuss about you. Si ya goshi gị ka ọchị ya ga ọchị behind the Nokia 3310. Oge ebe ashịghị chaachị ata iso ihe ọ na-eme ebe ọrịtuo ya asa onwe na ashị nke a na ya ọtụrụ nke a without eche ha eche. Because that guy is a bloody and heartless liar. I am Mwashi Burobi. I will stop here, please. Just make sure that you share this very program and hit the like button. Bye for now, please.